Hi again, my sweet adventurers. Right now what I'm going to do with you is go over our packet and then show a couple of examples on our math, which I think you know, but we're going to do it anyway, and then show you a fun sight word game to help get our sight words up and quicker. The first paper you're going to come to for day 4 today, day 4 of our learning at home, school without actually being at school, is skating to 10. So on skating to 10, it's just filling in a 10 frame, but we're trying to equal up to 10. So you can do it one of two ways. You can either choose any number to start with under 10, or you can get a die and roll your die and let that be what tells you what to start with. So we are going to start with my board. I'm going to ask JD to help me real quick. Hey Jades, will you tell me a number, any number you want, under 10?
5.
So he wants me to do 5. So all I am going to do, friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that a proper 5? Oh, shockingly it is. So I'm going to do 5. We know that 5 plus another number is 10. Yes, Nolan, I know you know this. And Matt, you too. Carmela, I know you know it. Yeah, all of you know it. I know that. We're doing this just for review, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the number that we know. And we know we're trying to equal up to 10 because we're working with a 10 frame. So all we're going to do is count the empty spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We put that down. 5 plus 5 equals 10. We know this because if we go and put 5 more in each empty box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we've filled up our entire 10 frame. So 5 plus 5 does equal 10. We're going to do one more of these just to make certain you get it. And then I'm going to review over the other things in our packet and show you a fun game you can play today with either mom or dad, yourself, some friends, hopefully not really friends if we're supposed to be staying away. We're going to do one more. JD, give me another number, any number under 10, any number you want. 1 is the number he gave me. 1. So 1 plus another number equals 10. So friends, when we go to, that's not a pretty 10. When we go to solve for 10, all we're gonna do is count the empty boxes. So we've got 1, we know that 1 because JD yelled it out to us, right? So let's count all of our empty boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. You can do your 10 frames on the piece of paper, or you could take it outside with sidewalk chalk and use rocks to fill in for your addition. You can use cars for my boys. You can use Polly Pockets or small dolls. Get outside, you guys. It's supposed to get up to 78 degrees today. Get outside and learn outside. You don't have to be sitting at a table with your paper, okay? So that's our first thing in our packet. This one should be fun too. I have a cute little snake, Sammy Snake. I want you to color Sammy and make him as great as you want. Think, what color would a snake be? And then I want you to go and embellish it, means add to it, make it look a little different. Whether that's with glue and glitter, paint, maybe some jewels, anything you want, okay? And what I want you to do after you do that and let it dry, you're gonna take your scissors, thumb up, chomp, 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 and you're gonna cut out this snake. And you're just gonna follow the line all the way in. When you're done, you can either pick him up from the tail or pick him up from his head, and he will now spiral. And it's really, really a fun little art project to do. So that can be fun if you have a printer at home, moms and dads. Maybe you can make copies and brothers and sisters can do this with them because it is a fun one, especially when if they add glitter or jewels to it and it hangs, they get to see how it reflects in the light. It's really kind of fun. Another one we have today is what's in the middle. My friends, we did this together in class last month, and I told you we were going to do something like this every single month. but you would start doing it by yourself just to see how our strength with our using our zoophonics to hear sounds and to stretch to make words. So I'm going to do number 1 with you. So number 1, what is this a picture of, friends? It looks like a treasure map. And down here we have 3 things. We have an M, a space, and a P. Okay, so an M, a space, and a P. And off to the side in these circles are letters A, O, and I. So what you're going to do, friends, is you're going to try to figure out what's the sounds you hear in the middle of the word map. Is it an I? No way, it's not a MIP. I don't even know what a MIP is. I'm not Dr. Seuss. Is it an O? Mop. I don't think I'm mopping right now. No, you might mop later, but not right now. Is it a map? Yes. So you will color in your A, or if you have a dabber at home, you can dab your A, and then fill it in here, write an A in the space provided to fill in the word M-A-P, map. So we're not confused on what some of these things are. The first one is a map. The second is a bug. The next one is a hen. The next one, that dog is dig. This little bunny, hop. This guy, taking a nap. This is a wet stocking. It's a wet. This guy, he has hit the ball. And this is a dog, dog. Okay, friends, I want this to be independent work, okay? Lastly for the day, we have the sheet. The challenge is to build a 2D shape using toothpicks and marshmallows. If you don't have them, obviously you can't build this, but you might can find other things to make this work the same way, other food items. You know, Miss Ashley loves to work with food, candy especially. So all we're gonna do, friends, I've provided you can cut these out and have a little flip book. You can do a square, a triangle, a rhombus, which is also a diamond, a pentagon, a hexagon, an octagon, a rectangle, a trapezoid. You cannot do a circle and you cannot do an oval. Because remember, friends, ovals and circles, they don't have sides and they don't have corners or vertices. So on the front of our sheet, I want you to put your name at the top, N-A-M-E, write your name in. And then down here, I want you to create a shape. Make up your name of your shape. I want you to try to sound out your words and make it whatever you want. You can't get it wrong. And create a shape all of your own. And then I want you to tell me how many sides you have and how many vertices, how many corners you have. And then I want you to grade yourself. You get a smiley face, a so-so face, or a sad face based on how well you did. But I know my smart cookies, and I know every one of you would be this, and Miss Ashley would probably go and put a humongous heart all over your paper because I love you so much. So the sight word fun I think you would enjoy doing today, especially as it warms up. If you have sidewalk chalk, I want you to go outside and on a big space of your driveway, write your sight words. So our sight words are C is, oh that's hard with the glare, I'm so sorry friends, is, JD, would you turn this light switch off for Mom, please? C is, let's see if JD turns off the lights, that helps at all. It does, great. C is go, my, you, the, or the, like, on, of, in, for, it, a, and, I, we, for, as, look, to, can, at. So here's what you can do that's really fun. I don't know if any of you have seen Minute to Win It, but Miss Ashley loves it and JD loves it. So what you can do is write this out on your driveway, maybe like a 5 by 5 space, parents, 5 feet by 5 feet, no bigger than that because our kids are small. And then parents can write the words and have them ready to go and time them. And what they need to do is they can either make big sight words on a big piece of paper, and then they have to go and cover the actual word with the sight word. So for example, I would take my I card and run and put it on top of the I that's on the driveway with the chalk. And they can do it and see if they can do it under a minute. That is 22 words in under a minute. I don't know, could any of you do that? This is a fun game also. Like Cade, you can do this with Channing because she's older. And Nolan, you can do this with Archer because he's older too. So, what else? Who else has older siblings? I'm trying to think. Maggie, you do. I know you can do it with your older sibling. Bennett, this is something you can do. Cece can recognize the letters. She might not know the words yet, but she can recognize the letters, and y'all can do this with your older sister. This could be so much fun. Learning does not have to be stuck at a table, guys. It does not. Go take it outside. Make it fun. Make it colorful. Make it imaginative. Just have fun with it. That is pretty much a lot of stuff for today. Do what you want. Don't do what you don't want. Y'all have fun, but I do want you learning. Get outside. Be kind to each other. Be kind to moms and dads. They didn't sign up to be pre-K teachers. Miss Ashley did. Miss Alejandra did. So you guys, be kind to moms and dads and help them with this pre-K learning curve. Have fun with the videos, and I love you so much. Keep the pictures coming. Bye, friends.